So this is our mathematics class, and this is the last chapter that we are going to prepare. Okay. So this is the book number 8, and the name of the chapter is data handling. Okay. So let us go to the chapter. So this is the chapter number 12. So before learning this chapter, we should know first what is data. Okay. So what is data? Data is a collection of informations. It can be organized with the help of pictures, graphs, tables, etc. So set of informations. For example, see here one example is given. Suppose in a school, these sports are being followed like cricket, football, baseball, badminton, hockey. So many children play. Some children likes cricket to play, some likes football. So the information first we have to collect from those children who likes which games. Okay. After that we can make a this type of one box in which we can write all the favorite sports first. Here it is drawn, or we can also write the name. So this is cricket, this is football, this is what? This is baseball, this is badminton, and this is hockey. Now we will do the survey and ask these children who likes which one. So after that we will count the numbers and we will write, suppose 10 children likes cricket, 15 likes football, 5 likes baseball, 4 likes badminton, and 6 likes hockey. So in this way, this is a box is made and all the informations are collected and written here. So this type of study is known as what? Data handling. Okay. So all the data are written, and in this way we can handle them. Okay, everybody understood this one? This is a very interesting topic. So here some questions are there that I will be sending you, and you today will let us discuss also, so that you can understand while writing them. Like this one. In this question, you see first one, for your I will be giving you a question in which such type of box will be there, and see here activities are given. This boy is reading, this one is doing exercise, music, yoga, and dance. Now there are two classes with two sections, A and B. So the children in section A likes reading, 12 children likes reading, and 10 children like reading in section B. Similarly, 8 children likes to do exercise in section A and 9 in B. Similarly, 5 likes music and 6 likes music in section B. In section A, 8 likes yoga, and in section B, 4 likes yoga. In section A, 7 likes dancing, and 11 likes dancing in section B. So on basis of this, some questions will be given. Like which activity is most popular in section A? So you see maximum number of children, that means that is most popular. So 12, that means reading. Reading activity is most popular. Similarly, which two activities are equally popular in section A? So you see here 8, 8. So these two are equally popular. What are they? Exercise and yoga. Now which activity is least popular in section A? In section A, the least popular activity is which one? I think so this one, music. So because it is 5 in number. Which activity is least popular in section B? In section B, this one, yoga. Okay. So in section B, yoga. Now comes, how many students like yoga in both the sections? 8 plus 4. How many? It is 12. Similarly, how many students like exercise in both the sections? Go to exercise. 8 plus 9. How many? 17 students. And how many more students in section B likes dancing compared to section A? So where is the dancing group? This one, here 7 and here 11. So they are more. Now how many more? So 11 minus 7, that is 4 students. So this is the way we do data handling. So various types of questions will be coming. First one, this type of one box will be there, and from there various questions will be set and you will be doing them. So this is also one type of questions, and here also, here box is not given, but here pictures are given and questions are there. Like this elephant, how many there in number? So numbers are given, you will search 1, 2 and 3, 3 elephants, so you will round the 3. So this is one type of data handling question also. Okay. And other than this is the revision chapter. This is including both the questions, that is shapes and patterns, and also data handling. Okay. And in this part you leave it, you don't do this because it is related to the birthdays and birthday dates. So as we are not going to school, we cannot know everybody's birthday date, so we cannot do this one. So I have given, other than this, other type of questions I have found that you will be seeing, you can see when I will send you through WhatsApp. Okay. Bye bye children.